Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to wrap a Jeep Gladiator, only ways. Start by removing badges and trim, then clean panels with alcohol and clay bar. Measure and label each panel, and cut vinyl with a slight overhang for tucking. Work in a heated, dust-free space, and use a squeegee to push air outward while stretching vinyl gently to conform to curves and edges for a professional finish. Prepping correctly saves time and reduces rework, so remove trim and clean every surface thoroughly. Use isopropyl alcohol and a clay bar to eliminate wax and debris that prevent bonding. Measure panels precisely, cut with a slight overhang, and label each piece to speed installation. Keep tools organized and test small areas first to confirm fit and tension before committing to large sections of the wrap. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is excellent for reading vinyl wrap guides and reference manuals anywhere, with a bright screen, long battery, and waterproof design. It fits in a toolbox or a glove box for quick shop breaks or planning layouts away from the truck. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Trim tricky areas like door jambs and bed rails slowly with a steady hand and a fresh blade to avoid paint nicks. Heat small sections gradually to stretch vinyl, holding tension until the adhesive cools for lasting hold. Use a seam roller and edge adhesive on vulnerable points, reinstall trim after curing, and avoid pressure washing for a few days to ensure the vinyl bonds fully and the finish remains pristine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.